Hey, what's up guys, Julian from SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com here. The video that you just watched was shot entirely on the all-new ZHIYUN Smooth Q3. I was lucky enough that I got the gimbal up front to test it out for you guys. And if you want to see my entire first impressions and my hands-on review, go check out the video that is popping up in the annotation at the top of the video. Something that I actually just noticed when I was watching the footage back on a big screen is that this is the smoothest gimbal that I have ever used. But more about that in the full review that will come very soon. Subscribe to the channel to not miss any of the future videos, and just a little hint, a comparison between the ZHIYUN Smooth Q3 and the ZHIYUN 4 will come tomorrow. So I'll see you there.